Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One way to permanently reconnect: get fused. Jump on board with the newest trend of permanent jewelry with these grown-up, friendship bracelets. Each chain is sized to fit you perfectly and is welded onto your wrist by our jeweler. It is a very safe electric welder and the whole process takes less than 5 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How long a friendship bracelet lasts depends on the materials that the bracelet is made of and how often you have it on. Some start fading after about 3 months, but others will have their friendship bracelets on 3, 5, 7, or even 10 years on. Unfortunately, some bracelets might snap off a few days later.
Let's help you make your mark.
For jewelers who offer permanent bracelets, welding or soldering a bracelet around a customer's wrist takes jewelers no more than 15 minutes. Once the bracelet is welded on, it's permanently attached to the wearer's wrist. The solid gold used for these bracelets is durable and can last a lifetime.
Take our lead.
Owing to the popularity of trend-right Pandora-style beads, our thumbies have become a permanent part of our collection. How do we create our Phoenix Collection jewels? Our skilled jewelry artisans take pride in each completed memory jewel they create.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Catbird Jewelry is a woman-owned fine jewelry brand founded by Ronnie Vardy in 2004. For Vardy, starting what began as a tiny boutique in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, meant quitting her job and bravely embarking on an entrepreneurial journey to chase her dream. Today, Catbird is still based in Williamsburg, NY.
Take our lead.
The welding is painless and happens in a quick flash of light. Once the bracelet is welded on, it's permanently attached to the wearer's wrist. The solid gold used for these bracelets is durable and can last a lifetime. The bracelets be easily removed with scissors if need be.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.